In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish and share a Google form. First, make sure you have your Google form open in your browser. You should be in the editing view, where you can see your questions, settings, and the top toolbar. If you have multiple forms, double-check you're in the correct one, especially if you have similar titles. It's a good idea to glance through your questions and descriptions now for typos or anything you don't want respondents to see, because once it's live, people will be able to submit responses right away. Next, look toward the upper right of the screen for the purple Publish button. It sits in the top bar alongside other familiar icons. If your window is narrow, you might need to widen it or look for additional options in the toolbar to spot it. Finding this button is important because it controls whether your form is available to anyone with the link. When you're ready, click Publish. The moment you publish, your form becomes live and starts accepting responses. You can still edit questions and settings after publishing, but remember that major changes after people start responding can affect how your results appear in the response summary or your linked spreadsheet. If you're working in an organization, your admin settings may influence who can respond, but publishing generally makes the form accessible to the audience you intend. If you ever need to pause responses later, you can return and change availability or unpublish as needed. With the form live, you'll want to share it. In the same upper right area, click the link icon to copy the form link. This copies the URL straight to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. Drop it into an email to your mailing list, share it in a team chat, or post it on social platforms, whatever suits your audience. Consider adding a short, clear message alongside the link so people know what the form is for, how long it takes, and the deadline if there is one. If you're sending it broadly, make sure your form's settings match your intentions. For example, whether you allow one response per person or collect email addresses. A quick tip: paste the link into a new browser tab to confirm it opens correctly and shows the live version you expect. That's it. Open your form, find Publish, make it live, then copy and share the link. Follow these steps and your audience will be able to respond immediately.